Hi, I'm Dr. Chong Siu Chin. I'm the Deputy Dean of Student Experience and Alumni in FIST. So finish your SPM, not sure what to do the next? If you enjoy IT, gaming, solving puzzle, or figuring out how things work, cybersecurity could be your path. In our security program, you will learn ethical hacking, digital forensic, and how to protect the system from the real cyber attacks. You will be guided by our industry professionals, including our adjunct professors from Cybersecurity Malaysia, so you can understand what company really expects. Real labs, real project, real internship, real job ready.
I am Farah Izzati binti Yusof, Program Coordinator of Diploma in IT FIST MMU Melaka. Don't just study tech, create it. At the FIST MMU Melaka here, you will build apps, designing system, explore cybersecurity, hands-on learning, industry exposure, future-ready skills. To the parents out there, tech careers are the most in demand in highest paying industries today. From software development to IT security, digital talent is needed everywhere. This is more than qualification, it's a pathway to a stable, high-growth career. So start strong, graduate skill, step into the digital future. Your tech journey begins now in MMU Melaka.
Hi, I'm Erwin, lecturer from Faculty of Information Science and Technology, FIST. Here, you can learn all sorts of AI technology, from large language model, deep learning, computer vision, and also agentic AI. We also collaborate with our industry partner, Huawei ICT Academy, where you can learn and obtain professional AI certifications. Now, from this, you are not only gaining theoretical knowledge, but also industrial standard technical skill, where you can develop, build, and deploy your very own AI applications.
Hi everyone, it's Dr. Prisha, a senior lecturer from Faculty of Information Science and Technology, Multimedia University, Melaka. In AI course, you will learn more about machine learning, data analysis, and intelligence system. So do not hesitate, join Multimedia University now. And it's a place where we are going to help you to use AI. But not only about using AI, you will get the opportunity to develop new AI technologies.
Hi SPM believers, I'm Fikri from Multimedia University. If you're thinking about your next step, listen up. At Multimedia University, our IT degree isn't just classroom and theory. We are officially collaborating with Amazon Web Services, yes, AWS. No waiting, no extra classes. If you want a future in cloud, AI, cybersecurity or software, start here. Your tech future begins at MMU.